Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, and today I am coming to you with an easy cheesecake, lemon cheesecake recipe. And this is a lazy lemon cheesecake recipe. I have a lazy lemon cake recipe out. It's a pound cake, and also I have a cheesecake, German chocolate cheesecake recipe out. But now I'm going to combine the lazy, semi-homemade pound cake with the cheesecake. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and everything is just really super easy, super simple. And what I'm going to do is I have everything all ready to go, pretty much. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the ingredients for the cheesecake ready, which I have in the bowl. And I'm going to bring you over to the sink so you can see exactly how I do it. Be right back. And since this is cheesecake, we want to get it really creamy. So what I have here is I have 2 8-ounce packages of cheesecake, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of sugar, and a couple of pinches of salt. So we're going to get that whipped up. Also, I added the zest of 1 lemon to this. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice and a little under a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to mix this for like 30 seconds. That's it. Now we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to do the box super moist lemon cake by Betty Crocker. Set this to the side. Mix. This is the cake mix here, and you want to follow the instructions on the back of the cake and add these additions. 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of milk. And I have 4 eggs. And what I did, the recipe calls for 1 cup of water, but I substituted milk in lieu of the water. So it's no water in here, it's just all milk. So your packaging, whatever it says for water, you can substitute it for milk, or you can keep water, your choice. All the ingredients are right here. The milk, eggs, vanilla, and the oil. All right here. So we're going to mix that up. No need to change the blades. Just get it going. Normally I do this by hand, but since I'm using a mixer for the cream cheese, why not? The next thing we're going to add the flour, sugar, baking soda. Then we're going to add the cake mix. We're going to beat this until it's creamy. Do not overwork the batter, because your cake will be tough, and that's not a good thing. Here we go. The cake mix, I'm going to put it in this pie filling. And I'm going to put some in this bun pan. I've already sprayed the bun pan. This is really a simple recipe. If you got 15, 20 minutes, get your family something good on the table. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the cheesecake, the cream cheese. I'm going to do the same thing in the bun pan. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a knife. I'm just going to take it and just swirl. Just make some little swirls. That's it. Same thing with the cheesecake. Just swirl it through. Even though it may not look like it's making a difference, once you cut into it, you'll see all the swirliness, what I'm doing. We're going to bake this at 325 degrees. Check your oven, because some ovens bake at 350, some bake at 325. Mine bakes best at 325 versus 350. Be back in 40 minutes. They cook for approximately 50 minutes versus 40 minutes at 325. And this is the results. Quick twirl. And this is the one that I put in the graham cracker crust. And they're very warm, so I have to let them cool down. And what I'm going to do is, versus making scratch icing, I have some cream cheese icing right here. And I have lemon icing. So we're just going to use a little bit of both. And when I come back, both of these cakes will be iced. And it's going to take approximately, maybe I'm going to let them cool down for about an hour so that the icing won't melt once I put it on there. So back in an hour. It's just a process. But it's an easy recipe, but just a process. I have put the icing on the bundt cake. I did the lemon over the top, and I did the cream cheese over the bottom. This is a quick look. And now I'm going to add just a few sprinkles. This is a pearl sprinkle, pearl white sprinkle. I have a pink sprinkle, and I have a yellow sprinkle. So this is just to make it just a little cuter. That's all. And then this is yellow sugar. This gives it that pretty look, like sometimes you wear your makeup with that pretty makeup that looks like sugar. And that's it. Put a few of these down in the middle. That's your cake. Good for any holidays. Thanksgiving, Easter, Mother's Day. Just something quick to get on the table. Just put the finishing touches on the lemon cheesecake. That's made with box cake and cream cheese. Finishing touches, the sprinkles, the little pearls, the white pearls and the pink pearls, and just a little yellow sugar on there. And that's it. I couldn't find my pastry. I found my pastry bag, but I couldn't find my little tips to really make it pretty. But this is good. This is going in the refrigerator. And once it cools completely down, we won't cut this one until tomorrow. But the other one will be cut in probably about an hour. I have it in the refrigerator so that it won't do a complete meltdown on me. And again, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you what I did. And as you can see, the cake is still a little warm because it's still melting a little bit, but that's okay. Once it goes in the refrigerator, it's going to firm up, if it even makes it to the refrigerator. Well, thank you everyone for watching. And if you have not joined my channel, please do so at this time. This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, aka the personal chef, aka everything. If you're not following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook at Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Follow me on YouTube at Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Follow me on Instagram at Hot Chocolate Kisses. And I may have another name. I need to check. I need to figure this stuff out. But anyway, everybody, thank you so much. And I appreciate you taking the time out to watch me do this video. It's a process, but if you start early, unlike I did, and let your cake cool all the way down, unlike I did, everything will be perfect. Okay? So until the next time, I will see you on the next video. And thank you again, everyone, for watching.